In this Python tutorial, I will show you how to rename a file in 60 seconds. There's a text file named text file in the project. I need OS library to rename the file. I can communicate with the operating system using this library. I assign the file path of the file to be renamed to the source file variable. I assign the new file name together with the file path to the target variable. The new file name will be turtle code. I send the source and target variables to the rename function. When I run the application, the file name changes, as you can see in the left panel. I recommend you to watch other Python tutorials in the channel.